I'm just finishing up these pipes. I figured I'd show you the last little part to put on. Something I really dig about these. They're adjustable as far as the angle that you want to throw your exhaust out at. You've got 4 different screw holes here. Oops, I'm not showing that. So you've got 4 different adjustable angles that you can set these at. That's a solid metal end cap there. So you could shoot it down towards the ground more like that, or better yet, out towards passing vehicles like that. You might be able to adjust the sound a little bit by how you put those in there. But I'm really digging these pipes. They sound great. And we'll just see how they hold up. We'll know after a few thousand miles whether they have any problems. The biggest problem with the whole install was, surprisingly enough, installing the heat shields. Everything else was pretty easy. It didn't come with any kind of instructions, so you have to have some kind of mechanical skills. And if you've ever built a bike or customized one very much, you can probably do this without any instructions. I couldn't find an instruction manual online or on their website or anything like that, so you kind of have to know what you're doing and be able to figure things out. But that's the American Freedom Performance Radical Radius exhaust system on 2020 Street Bob.